Hey everyone, what's up? If your Roku remote is not connecting and there's no pairing button, don't worry. In this video I will show you how to sync your Roku remote without pairing button. Let's get started. Step 1. Make sure your Roku device is powered on and showing the home screen. Step 2. Remove the batteries from your Roku remote and insert them back in. Step 3. Now press and hold the home button and back button together until the light on the top left corner start flashing green. This indicates that remote is in pairing mode. Step 4. Within a few seconds, your Roku device should display a message that says remote pairing. And that's it. Your remote should now be paired and ready to use. If for some reason your remote isn't pairing or syncing, try these quick fixes. Unplug your Roku device, wait about 10 seconds, and plug it back in. Then try the syncing process again. Make sure you're within range of the Roku device and there aren't any objects blocking the signal. Make sure the batteries in your remote are not dead. Replace them if needed. I hope with these simple steps your Roku remote will start working again. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.